is we have a water bottle that's coming out. You see here a little collapsible water bottle. There'll be 3 sizes. This one is a 17-ounce size. And what you can do with it is there's an adapter that comes with the water bottle. This adapter fits on the bottle, and then it also connects to the bottom of the Pocket Purifier. So what you can do is you can basically turn this into a gravity-fed system. So you can take this water bottle, you can dip it into your dirty water source, and you can drink the dirty water. Not too bad. My name's Mike. I'm with 12 Survivors. Go Ready.